solve 2x plus 3y is equal to 11 and 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24, and hence find the value of m for which y is equal to mx plus 3. So this is something that is new, right? We have a third expression. So what to do with that? Well, we have to find m with that. But before that, it's something which we already know. So never get bogged down when you see something new. Just do the old stuff, right? And think about the new stuff later. So let's begin with writing given. So we're looking at 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. So can't do much with this. And then we are looking at 2x minus 4y equal to minus 24. See, one thing which when you're writing, do be aware of what you're writing. 2, 4, and 24. What is the HCF? Yes, HCF is 24, right? No, 2. Is it not? HCF is 2. So let's divide all the terms with 2. And it won't change anything. In a sense, it won't change the graph. It won't change the nature of the equation. When I tell nature, it has a particular meaning. Yes, the equation, how it looks, it changes, yes. But the nature does not change. I'm talking about the slope and the intersection and all of that. So this statement, what I just said, you will understand a bit better if you learn the topic well, especially graphically. Every problem, try to plot it in your code. Have a look, try to understand, right? Once you finish this chapter, again, I'm telling you this chapter is useful in places which I have not even seen. Of course, I have not seen much, but yes, even I have not seen. And uh, and you know, it's not general to the population as well. So it might be specific to a field which is in the future. Okay, so there will be different subjects which will come up, and you are using all of this. So I'm sure of this though. This being used in quite a few different places. Now we have two different equations. We need to solve it. Solve it in the sense we have to find a solution. We can use any method. There's nothing that is specified, but we'll go with our substitution method itself. So to handle substitution method, we need to express. That's the next step. Express x in terms of y. So where is that? Where is that we are looking? Which expression are we looking at? Equation 1 or equation 2? And should we express x as y or y as x? Well, to decide that, look at the easiest coefficient, 1. So we're going with that. Expressing x in terms of y from 2. So we are looking at 1x minus 2y is equal to minus 12 plus 2y plus 2y. Things get cancelled. So 1x is equal to plus 2y minus 12. Now we can call this as equation 3. This way we'll substitute x in not the equation 2, we have to substitute in equation 1 in 1. So here we will observe that it will be 2 times of in place of x we are looking at 2y minus 12 plus 3y being equal to 11. On further solution we'll get, using distributive property, 4y minus 24 plus 3y is equal to 11. So 4y and 3y is 7y minus 24 is equal to 11. We have plus 24 on both the sides. 7y is equal to 35. So this is 7 and 7, y is equal to 5. we got the value of y. Easy. Then substitute y in equation 3. So we have x to be equal to 2 times of 5 minus 12 minus 2. Let's verify this. Minus 2 is equal to 2 into 5 minus 12. Yes, LHS is equal to RHS. We got a true statement. Now what is that we are looking at? Hence find the value of m for which y is equal to mx plus c. See, indirectly what they're trying to tell us, the question is, according to me, it's not very clear. They're telling that this two equations solution is also the solution for the third one. Graphically, what it means? It means that all these three lines are crossing each other through a single point. Okay, so I'll show it to you with our Panda, sorry, Python. So to find the value of m, basically what we have to do here is we are looking at substituting, right? We have to start with this actually as y is equal to mx plus 3 as minus 2 comma 5 as one of its solution. So we can substitute, right? We're going to substitute x comma y to be equal to minus 2 comma 5. So we have 5 is equal to m times of minus 2 plus 3. So 5 when I transpose it, minus 3 is equal to m times of minus 2. Okay, so actually instead of doing this, I like to do the other way around. That is minus 3 on both the sides. So it gets cancelled. And we have 2 over here. And to eliminate minus 2, divide with minus 2 both the sides. Plus divide by minus is minus. And this is 1. This and this will get cancelled. And we have m to be equal to minus 1. So that's our value and that's our answer. Now, let's plot this and I'll show it to you what they actually meant. Okay. So to do that, what I've done here is I've modified the code so that it takes in 3 equations coefficient and shows us the plot. So let's begin with the first equation, 1 minus 2 and plus 12. That's the standard form. 1 minus 2 and 12. Equation 2 is it is equation 2. Oh, okay, that was equation 2. 2, 3 and minus 11. So we need to type 2, 3 minus 11. Now we have equation 3. So we got m to be equal to minus 1. So the equation 3 becomes plus 1 and minus 3. Again, do it mentally or do it on a paper, but get it right. Plus 1 minus 3. Okay. And we have our plot. Right? You can see clearly that all of them, all these 3 lines are crossing a specific point. Okay. And that point happens to be minus 2 comma 5. Minus 2 comma 5. That's what they meant in the question, that this two equation solution is also the solution for the third one. But yeah, I guess, well, the language, I guess we need to understand that, right? So quite simple though.